Hi, Tom Hunter here. Today's video is going to be a little more somber than what I normally talk about. What I want to talk to you about today is the death of a loved one. When you've had a loved one, perhaps a spouse or a child, who has been killed due to the negligence of someone else, then you may have what's called a wrongful death claim that you can prosecute and make against the person who caused that death. These are very heart-wrenching situations. But what we have to try to do is we have to try to find some consolation, some compensation to compensate you as a survivor for the loss of that loved one. Oftentimes, the loved one who is taken from us is a person who supports a family. And that means that that support is no longer there. So part of the compensation is going to be to provide support for the survivors so that they can continue on, so that the mortgage payments can be made and children can go to college, things of that nature. But there are also a lot of softer damages with that child who is deprived of a parent and has to grow up without that other guiding hand to help them come along. Those things are things which we have to try to value and present as part of a claim. There's nothing wrong about prosecuting a wrongful death claim. In fact, there's everything right about it. Society expects you to protect yourself, expects you to have those who are responsible for your loss to pay you compensation for that loss. So once the trauma and immediacy of that loss has occurred and you've recovered to the point that you can talk about it, give me a call. Let's talk about it. Let's see if we can help you put the pieces back together and prosecute on your behalf a wrongful death claim. Thanks so much.